In this video, I will show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. To get started, go ahead and open Sweatcoin on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. Make sure that you have enough Sweatcoin to buy things on the shop or bid on Sweatcoin. So it would be above 500 Sweatcoin. Now head over to the shop section. On the shop section, you'll be able to find things that you can buy with your Sweatcoin along with more ways to earn Sweatcoin. Head over to the bid section, and in the bid section, you'll be able to find the gift cards that you can bid for. So usually you'll find the Robux gift card into this section. So keep your eye out on this section. You can also buy a Robux gift card on the shop by heading over into the gift card section of the shop. So there are these gift cards that you can avail using your Sweatcoin for one time. These gift cards can be used on different platforms, and you can use this to get a Robux gift card. As you can see in here, the smallest amount of gift card available is a $3 gift card, which you can get for 500 Sweatcoin. And that is how you can simply get Robux on Sweatcoin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.